Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for creating Excel XSD schemas from old Excel 97 XLS file. On my computer you can see I have a state XLS. I don't have Excel installed on this computer, and you don't need to install Excel also to use this converter. But I have Excel Mobile. It's a free version of Excel. It's kind of like Excel Viewer. I cannot edit anything change anything on Excel, old Excel XLS file, but at least I can see what is inside. And inside you can see I have a state, codes, region and subregion, and states from Alabama to Wyoming. And I will be using this Excel file as example to generate XSD. You may want to convert different Excel file from XLS to XSD, and it's fine. I'm using this as an example. For your different Excel will be different XSD schema generated by application, of course. So one important step before using converter from Excel to XSD, we have to close file in Excel. So if you have it open in Excel, you have file open, close it, because Excel is locking file it's working with, so no other application can access it. So if you are trying to convert Excel file to XSD that already open in Excel, you will get error message that file cannot be accessed. So as you can see, I closed file, and I will go to this website. I will leave link on site into description to download converter. And to find converter, I click on search and type XLS to XSD, and I need this XLS to XSD page, and click on the load button to start the loading process. I will be recording more videos on different converters and different that can create XSD file from different sources, like Microsoft Word to XSD, CSV data to XSD, and so on, in XML obviously to XSD converters. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like video like this, and you like application like this, and you want to see more video and more application, please support my channel, like this video and subscribe. Thank you. You can see archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside the archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, install. Click on yes, and click finish on final screen, and you can see I have application installed on my computer, and I have a new XLS to XSD shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on the shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will have to select our Excel file we would like to convert. I navigate to my documents where I have my US states XLS. Here it is. Click on open. Click on next step. There are no conversions options here yet. I just click next step here, and on final step I can preview of created XSD. One important thing, XSD is always comes in a pair with XML. So if I generate XSD, this application also creates XML that fits this XSD that created. So for example, if I want to give this XSD file to someone and say, hey, create XML based on this XSD and send it to me, I can also send him XML and say, hey, this is XML data, your data should be looking like this. And yeah, so, and to find both files, I click save result. It's asking me for folder, so documents will be okay, and I click OK, and it's saying 2 files created, one XSD and Y data sample XML. So let's go and see file. It's my documents. So this is data example. I will open into Notepad just to show you this is example of the data, how it look like. All states from Alaska to Wyoming, right? And also, if I can open XSD, open Notepad again, and I have all fields specified, and XSD beautifully generated from my data. And yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.